Welcome to Channel Technology Secrets. Today we will review the FASON-Android 13 quad-core tablet for kids, a tablet designed specifically for children. Specifications: screen, 8 inches, 1280 by 800 pixels resolution. Processor, quad-core. RAM, 4 GB. Storage, 64 GB. Operating system, Android 13. Battery, 5000 mAh. Advantages of the device: Android 13 operating system with parental control features. Pre-installed educational apps for kids. Large and clear screen. Large 4 GB RAM. Long-lasting battery. Disadvantages of the device: only 64 GB storage. Quad-core processor may not be enough for heavy games. Does not support SIM card. Evaluation: overall, the FASON-Android 13 quad-core tablet for kids is an excellent tablet for kids. It is easy to use, has great parental control features, pre-installed educational apps, a large and clear screen, and a long-lasting battery. On the other hand, this device may not be suitable for children who play heavy games or need a lot of storage space. Device price: the price of the device varies depending on the seller, but it generally ranges between $150 and $200. Buy the device. You can buy the device from company website or from various electronics stores. Conclusion: the FASON-Android 13 quad-core tablet for kids is a great option for kids looking for an easy-to-use and secure tablet. Thank you for watching, and here are some tips for choosing the right tablet for your kids. Set your budget before you start searching. Determine your child's needs for the device. Compare the different specifications of the different devices. Read user reviews before buying.